if you're trying to make a decision whether or not you should get involved with network marketing, I'm going to tell you the first hand, don't, right? Don't until you start taking some personal inventory about whether or not you have thick skin, whether or not you understand this is business, you understand this is sales, and this is a selling, direct selling, and a recruiting business. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. The way you make money in this industry is to sell a product or service and to recruit other people into the business who do the exact same thing. There's so many different analogies I give when I wind up doing this channel and the content on it. But what I do like to do is point out the hypocrisy, because you will see countless people out there who is doing content that is saying that network marketing is a scam and blah, 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 when the industry is not a scam. But the methodologies is what they do not wind up agreeing with. I was going to do a video on this, but you know what? I would be such a scumbag to do it because the fruit is so low hanging on this. This is Jessica Hickson's content. Jessica Hickson is a big top anti-MLM person. You can actually look at her YouTube channel, and she has nonstop hundreds of hours of content where all she does is complain about the industry. I had heard that she was extremely successful in her company. I had heard, I don't know if I have to say this as a disclaimer for legal purposes, but she didn't bode well with making a lot of money, and it kind of affected her emotionally, which you could tell. She cries in countless of her videos, and she had to leave the business. There's content, every company, she'll sneak in on Zoom calls. She'll makes a video about me because I attacked her for the fact that she called out people for using their children in network marketing, but she exploited her own son to wind up leveraging sales for him. Everything all the way down to Andy Frisella's program and why working out was too hard for her. But here's the thing. She's got a network, and I want to explain this to you. And if this is going to be kind of asshole-ish of me, I don't care. Because this is warfare, right? If some other group of people is going to complain about the validity of the industry, then own up to what you're doing. The tactics in network marketing are scum to some degree. They sell the dream. They'll believe in you until you believe in yourself. And all you got to do is talk to two people. And I hate that garbage. It's manipulation. I want people to be transparent. This is what you have to do. This is how it's got to get done. Brush up on your people skills. Present value. Don't ever fucking lie. Integrity is everything. We can give a very, very, very even-keeled conversation about that. I want improvement on this business. I don't want to be part of an industry that is full of shysters, scumbags, manipulators, and liars. But if that's the case, and you're going to present just like Cece Suarez, Savannah Marie, Julie Joe, all of them operate on the personalities. They attack the personalities of other people out there with zero credibility in their information they're spreading out about why it's a scam. It's a presenting value to your network to get them to basically subscribe to a business, right? Network marketing is a repeat business. It's almost like a subscription-based business. You come into the business, you get on auto ship or whatever they would call it for their the smart ship, where you get a monthly product sent to you, and that's it, right? That's how the perpetuation of the sales go. So I want to ask something. Jessica, if this is your network and you have a network on one social media platform of 23,700 people, and you're marketing to your network, you cry in videos about how whatever manipulation tactics you blame in network marketing, MLM people doing, why are you crying in your videos? Is it possibly to relate to other people's pain points so that you can bring them in and make them, because look at your comment sections. Everybody's relating to you about how they feel about how you're crying, and you cry in so many videos. That being said, my question is, if you are relating to your network, somebody's got to call you out, kiddo, because you are a fucking liar. You're disingenuous, and you're manipulating your own network. If this is the case, and you are marketing hundreds of hours, this is what you do. Number one, you make money off of your YouTube, which would be like a sale, right? If I'm in network marketing, which I am, I get paid off of the transactions I do. That's number one, right? Number one. You get paid off of the interactions that people go and watch your videos. On your community store, if you're not about recruiting, why are you putting up that many of you are adamant about, I bring back memberships for you to support the channel regardless of the perks? Are you recruiting? Are you getting people to pay a monthly subscription to your content? With that said, there is now one tier membership with few perks I was able to keep up with before. Originally, I got rid of them because I was feeling the pressure of trying to keep up with the perks and unable to do. I see a theme here for why you failed in network marketing. You can't handle pressure. There's nothing. This is not business. Is not for everyone. If we look at, do you have an about? Oh, you have a store. You have a store. You're marketing to your network to purchase cloth face masks, t-shirts, hoodies. Here's the thing, and there's nothing wrong with this. This is all capitalist behavior. I have no problem with it whatsoever. It's a good damn thing. My question is if you're going to get involved with network marketing and you're going to the Julie Joe's channel, Cece Suarez, who openly admitted she hasn't spent more than 3 days in a single network marketing company, yet she uses her entire platform to bash the industry. Julie Joe, who was the top tier, who admitted out loud that her team, her recruitment efforts made her more money than anybody else, but the industry's a scam. And Jessica Hickson or Savannah Marie, who cannot stand the industry of network marketing, but she's a Democrat socialist. My point is this, no matter how shitty this comes across, don't attack an industry where you're doing the same fucking thing. Don't. Talk about the people involved with it. Talk about the things that you don't like. Admit firsthand, I couldn't handle the pressure. Admit, I didn't like the fact that I had to pressure other people. Admit, I didn't like how I was feeling. It's not a business of facts that you're talking about. You're talking about how you felt under the pressure of trying to attain a goal that was unrealistic for your own abilities. This business is not for everyone. There's a reason that only 1% make it. But then again, too, that's like any other damn industry out there. Be it from Olympic athletes to professional athletes to politicians to Fortune 500 company CEOs. It's always the top 1%. They're the people who can handle the pressure better than anyone else there, and people who offered value and led people through influence and inspiration, not manipulation and the same tactics that you're accusing everybody else of. You guys need to be called out. You guys are doing the same. You guys are projecting what you are doing on social media onto network marketing company employees and brand partners and everything else and leaders out there. And it's vile. So until you guys recognize this for yourself, I'll continue to point out what you're doing, and what you're doing is abhorrent, and it's fucking scum.